Welcome to the tip of the week. This week's topic is create emails in Google Docs.
If you are working in a Google document and you would like to share the content that you are working on with someone else, you do not have to leave the document to open your Gmail account. From within the document that you are working on, click on the Insert tab, select Building Blocks, and then select Email Draft. In the To field, type in the email address of the recipient, fill in the subject line, and type in your email message. In this case, I am sharing a recipe that was given during an employee event. The next step is to highlight everything in the document that you want to share. Right-click with your mouse and select Copy. You are now ready to see what your email is going to look like in Gmail. To do this, click on the blue mail icon at the top of the page. As you can see, my recipe is not in here yet. I have the recipient, the subject, an email message, and that is it. Since I've already highlighted and copied the recipe, I can just click below the text of the message and press Ctrl-V on my keyboard to paste in the recipe. When you are satisfied with how it looks, press Send and it will go to your recipient. If I go to my Gmail inbox, it is there. Remember, work smarter, not harder.
Do you have questions about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.